prefer to put your transducer as far into the center as you possibly can. Because of my jack plate, I cannot put it on the inside. I actually have to put it on the outside. So start off with the side pieces here. So I insert the stainless steel Phillips bolts. Next thing I do is I put the washers on, rubber washers. These are included in the kit. These are the factory pieces that come with the Humminbird transducer. I just use it just to keep the transducer from moving around and give it a little bit of space. You don't necessarily have to put them in there if you don't like to, but whatever works better for you. So, all right, so like this, and the second tab, rubber washer. Now the back plate. Pick up a washer. Again, this is all stainless steel hardware, so you don't have to worry about it rusting if you ever need to remove it. It comes off pretty easy. Now all I'm going to do is just snug up the Phillips screw with the bolt on the back. This is 7/16 bolts on the back and just a standard Phillips on the front. So just snug it up. And the bracket is actually self-leveling, so it's not going to move. That's the idea of putting the rubber spacers in between. Now, before I did all this, I made a level line on my jack plate to make sure that the transducer was actually level. I also drilled my holes, 1, 2 here, and then I marked from the back where those holes are going to correspond with the bracket. So with that, I've already drilled my holes. So the only thing I need to do is just attach the bracket to the jack plate. Again, I'm just going to snug them, make sure I get the transducer level. There you go, all installed. The factory hole down here is actually for the zip tie to secure your cable to the plate itself.